So we made it in 45 minutes from the capital to the Blue Lagoon. Now it's time to get this thing started. Let's get it started. Want me to get Who would have thought? Two Blue Lagoons in 1 year.
Literally, Blue Lagoon Malta, Blue Lagoon.
Oh man. What's up?
My speculation is that maybe
Yeah, I'm hanging on up.
is what I think.
You want to hang it up over there? I'll wrap one of the bridges.
Mr. Apply That Pressure is back up in this thing. One thing I didn't anticipate was you have to take a pre-shower, wash your hair and all that stuff, you know, so I'm good because I got that natural argan oil in my hair, you know, but it's almost time to get wet and get up in this Blue Lagoon, see if it lives up to the hype, you know. So it's Mr. AirDonnie, man. They call me Mr. Flipper Jr. Got a good one?
Yeah.
You got it, coach? I'm about to go. Yeah. Boomerang. Word around town. Word around town. Big drinks, big knots. Oh, y'all back at Travel AirDonnie, Mr. Put Me In Coach, Mr. Apply That Pressure, Mr. I Don't Do Bench. Damn. My, I can barely even see her.
Right here, the good picture right here for the grand, you know?
Boy, you stupid.
That's it, you know?
That boy say he doing it for the grand, man. That boy, wow. Boy, you a wild boy. That boy, wow. That boy, G, wow. Them Florida boys, wow. Yeah, we out here in the Blue Lagoon, Iceland, man. Oh shit, let me redo that. Hey, it's kind of salty. Hey, what's going on, world, man? We out here at the Blue Lagoon, Iceland, getting it in, soaking it in. It's your boy, Apply That. Damn. Oh, boy, you crazy. What's happening? What's happening? We out here at the Blue Lagoon in Iceland. You already know. You already know who it is. It's Mr. Put Me In Coach, Mr. Apply That Pressure, Mr. I Don't Do Bench. You dig? somebody would fucking
Call you?
my God.
Who called you?
Damn. Like fucking up like that. Excuse my French. I gotta redo it. Man. What's going on? What's going on? You already know who it is. It's Mr. AirDonnie and the Blue Lagoon, Iceland. Mr. Put Me In Coach. Mr. Apply That Pressure. Mr. I Don't Do Bench. Just soaking it in. Dolph.
You're done. This one or that one? This one or that one?
That's too close. They look the same. What'd you change in it? Like a filter or something?
No, just which one is better? Both of them.
They both about the same.
That one or that one? This is more happier face than you.
Yeah, you're right. I go with that one here.
Put me in